Performing float budding. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials: a budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock with a healthy bud stick, and another rootstock. Identify the active growth part of the plant. This is usually found in the middle part of the stem when the green and brown bark meets. Make a horizontal cut around the active growth part. Select a healthy bud stick from one of the rootstock. Cut the bud into a horizontal shape, similar to the size of the cut in another rootstock. Place the bud in the cut part of the rootstock. Tie the union. Wrap the bud into a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in a contact with the bud. Cut the upper part of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell.